Hello, fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. Today we're going to take a test on shop tools in the high school wood shop. Some of them are stationary power tools, some of them handheld power tools, and maybe a few questions on what the tools do. So what you want to do right now is pull out a blank piece of paper, put your name on the top, number 1 to 25, and let's go ahead and get started. So number 1 is this tool right here. Number 2 is this tool right here. And 3 is this part of the tool. 4 is this handheld power tool here. 5 is this tool. And 6 is this tool right here. 7 is this tool, the big one. 8 is this part of the tool designed for cross cutting. And 9 is this part of the tool usually used for ripping. 10 is this tool. 11 is this stationary tool here. There's also a handheld one of these. 12 is this tool here. Number 13 is this handheld power tool versus this one right here, number 14. And then number 15 is that handheld tool as well. Number 16, we have 3 of these right here. 17 is this tool. That's 17. 18, what kind of angle is this? Using this angle measure here. So that, what type of cut is this? Number 19, what type of cut is this using that angle measure? So 19 is that type of cut. 18, that type of cut. And 17, the overall tool. 20 is this tool. 21. 22 is this tool. And 23 is what is these numbers refer to right here. So what do those numbers mean on 23? 22 is the overall tool. 24 is this tool here. And number 25 is this tool right here. So write down what this tool right here is called. Then when you're all done, go ahead and turn that paper over. And I'm going to go through the whole thing right now. Or you could turn it in right now if it's a test. Or if you want to review them, I'm going to go through what the answers are. Number 1 is a CNC router, computer numeric control. So CNC router, this is a controller right here and the computer. 2 is a lathe. 3 is a tool rest. 4 is an oscillating hand sander. It's oscillating because this thing rotates around kind of eccentrically. So 4 is an oscillating hand sander. 5 right here is a belt sander. And 6 is a disc sander, D-I-S-C. 7 is a table saw. 8 a miter gauge. 9 a fence. 10 a drum sander. 11 a router table. 12 is a joiner. 13, battery operated drill. 14, battery operated impact driver. 15, a pneumatic nailer, spelled PN. Pneumatic because it's air driven. 14 is an impact driver. 13, a drill. 16 is a band saw. It's the blades in the band. 17 is a compound miter saw. 18 is a miter. So using this gauge right here and this button here changes the miter angle. Verse 19, changing this angle here, is a bevel. So 17 is a miter saw. 18 is a miter. 19 is a bevel. A miter and bevel together is called a compound. 20 is a scroll saw. Those two tools right there are scroll saws. 21 is a drill press. 22 is a planer. It gives you a flat plane. And 23, this gives you the thickness of the board. So that is a 3/4 inch thick board. That's where you set the thickness. 24 is a grinder. This is where you sharpen the tools. And 25 over here is a spindle sander, stationary spindle sander. All right, circle all ones you got wrong. Write a number between 0 and 25. Multiply that by 4 to get your percentage. So if you got 20 of them correct, 20 times 4 is 80, 80% on the tool identification test. And then you go ahead and turn it in. All right, thanks for watching.